Hero MotoCorp has actually come out with its results, and it has posted a very strong performance in the quarter gone by, which has helped it log its best annual performance on both top line as well as bottom line for the financial year 2024. So net profit for the quarter surged by about 18.3%, coming in at 1016 crore versus 859 crore in the previous quarter. This has beaten street expectations, which was expecting the figure to come in at somewhere around 980 to 1000 crore. Revenue from operations surged about 14.6%, coming in at 9,519 crore, beating estimates which had pegged it at around 9,400 crore and about 14.6% higher from the year ago period when it stood at about 8,300 crore. EBITDA, which is earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, surged 25.5%, coming in at 1,359 crore versus 1,081 crore in the year ago period, and margins expanded by 130 basis points, coming in at 14.3% in the March quarter of FY24 versus 13% in the previous quarter, in the March quarter of FY23. And the stock also surged about 2.5% today. And Kranthi, I'll come to you because we have spoken extensively about this auto space and this theme of premiumization that is playing out, and Hero MotoCorp has benefited greatly from that. I mean, the kind of returns it has generated for the investors in the course of last 12-15 months. I think on a 1 year basis, the stock is up somewhere around 80%. In the last 6 months, it's up close to 45% or so. And again, another very healthy quarter for the company. What's your outlook over here on the auto space? We have seen, on month-on-month basis, volumes for the entire auto space, including your passenger vehicle and commercial vehicles, they have, surged by about in double digits, at least in April. I think that was a 27% year-on-year jump in volumes. Is this a theme that, investors can still make money from, Kranthi?
Yes, Suyash, the numbers looks very strong. In fact, the numbers surprised on the upside. Going ahead, what we can sense at this point of time is the two-wheeler numbers, the rural demand has going to go up. Typically in an election year, the rural incomes tend to go up. That's what we are witnessing in FMCG space. And the same thing, what we can sense in the two-wheeler sector is concerned. The two-wheeler segment is going to post good set of numbers. That's helping Hero MotoCorp.
All right, very healthy set of numbers coming in from Hero MotoCorp, and I think what Kranthi was saying, that rural demand is definitely going to help this two-wheeler space going forward as well. Remember, in the previous quarter, in the March quarter, rural demand for the FMCG at least, had outpaced the urban demand after nearly a gap of 15 months. Rural, I think Kranthi is back here with us. Kranthi, you were sharing your thoughts on Hero MotoCorp and how rural demand is actually going to, provide that fillip to the entire auto sector going forward as well. Please continue, sir.
Absolutely, Suyash. The rural demand is helping in a typical election year. The rural demand tend to go up. That's what helping Hero MotoCorp. And also the premiumization, that's what the change of consumer behavior right now. That's also helping the names like Hero MotoCorp. We are sanguine about the prospects of two-wheeler as well as the four-wheeler segment is concerned going ahead also. So investors can hold on to Hero MotoCorp at this level also. In fact, investors with a long-term horizon, definitely, they can add any dips in the names like Hero MotoCorp on a medium to longer term basis.